नमस्ते, खुश रहो बेटियाँ। I, JBN Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Today's we will discuss about Google App Engine. So Google App Engine is the service of platform as a service. As we have discussed, cloud computing provided three service model. Among these, the Google App Engine is provided by PaaS service model. So first of all, we will understand what is a platform as a service. So, platform as a service model of cloud computing where users are provided with a full platform for their applications. It enables businesses to build and run web-based custom applications in on-demand fashion. It eliminates the expense and complexity of selecting, purchasing, configuring, and managing the hardware and software. It provides access to unlimited computing power, decreasing upfront cost dramatically. Here is some characteristics of a platform as a service. It's a multi-tenant architecture built in scalability of deployed software. It integrated with web services and databases. It simplifies prototyping and deploying a startup solution. So using PaaS typically results in vendor lock-in. It provides tools to handle billing and subscription management. The uh, platform as a service have different types, like a standalone application platform. It typically built on top of an existing infrastructure as a service, which provides development tools for designing and deploying software. It also provides all required computing resources and service needed for hosted application. The second one is your social application development platform, which is used to develop add-ons and internal applications for social websites like Google Plus and Facebook. Integrated API with the social website platform can be seen as extending SaaS. The another one is your open computing platform. It's tied to not tied to a single as provider. It supports applications that are written in numerous languages and that use any type of database, operating system, and server. So let us understand about Google Cloud. So it's a service of infrastructure as a service and platform as a service. All services built on top of Google hardware located across the globe redundancy and service locality. It utilizes Google's global network and dedicated fiber optic networks, even between continents. Google Managed Services, database administration and server configuration, sharding and loading balancing managed for the user. The computing engine is the service of infrastructure as a service model, and the app engine is the service of platform as a service model. It use the it use cloud SQL, cloud storage, data store for a storage capacity. Cloud SQL is a fully managed relational MySQL, where cloud storage is object storage for applications and cloud data stores automatically scaled, no SQL storage. Big data is a BigQuery, SQL-like queries against multi-terabyte data sets. Google Cloud Tools is a cloud endpoints like RESTful services to make your code accessible from iOS, Android, and JavaScript client. So these are the some products and elements of Google Cloud Tool, but we have to focus on Google App Engine. So here is the Google App Engine characteristics and some features about Google App Engine. So Google App Engine is easy to build, maintain and scale applications. There is no required server to maintain yourself. It upload and go. It was created before Google Cloud became available for public use. It supported languages like Python, Java, PHP, and Go experimental. App engine characteristics is like it's a persistent storage with queries, sorting, and transactions. App engine distributes user requests across multiple servers and self servers to meet dynamic traffic demands. Asynchronous task queues for performing work outside the scope of a request. It's scheduled tasks for triggering events at specified times or regular intervals. It integration with all other Google Cloud services and APIs. Your applications run within its own secure sandboxes and reliable environment. It is independent of the hardware, operating system, or physical location of the server. It uses Rovio for transition Angry Birds games to an online environment. It uses a platform that cloud support explosive demand. It easily adds new features to improve the user experience. Based by Data Store, Google Cloud SQL, Data Store, Blob Store, Data Store Search, Logs. For communication, it creates a persistent connection between your application and Google server, so you can send messages to JavaScript client in real time without polling. Google Cloud Endpoints, it enables automatic generation of APIs, making it easier to create a back backend for web clients and mobile clients. It uses URL face for XMPP, traffic splitting, for mail. For process management, it uses the task queue and schedule task and remote. For computation, it uses backend, image, MapReduce features. So backend is it in instance of your application that are exempt from request deadline and have access to more memory and CPU resources. Right. So these are the some technology which is used by your Google App Engine. App Engine for mobile, it uses geo-proximate search push notification to iOS and might not make sense if your mobile application does not need to be connected to the internet. So internet is a very important for every service model which is provided by Google cloud computing. So thank you class, this is all about the Google App Engine. I hope you like my session. If any query regarding this session, please comment below. This digital session version 2.0 provided by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you class.